Viewers, welcome. Let's have a look at these questions and the objective questions. I decided to start from the bottom, question 50. We climb up to question number 1 on just ended June WASSCE questions. So for what values of x is this expression 2x squared plus 2 divided by 10x squared minus 13x minus 3 undefined? So before an expression or algebraic expression can be undefined, it means that the denominator must be 0. So the moment the values of x put into this equation make the equation to become 0, then the whole expression becomes what? Undefined. So let's find those values of x. So it means we are going to set 10x squared minus 13x minus 3 equals what? 0. And that becomes a quadratic what? Equation. We can solve it the longer method or the short way. As in multiplying this by this, that becomes x squared minus 13x minus what? 30. As in this time, this 30 equals 0. So now we are finding factors of 30, negative 30. When we add, we should get negative 15, negative 13. And we know if I have 2 and negative 15, if I multiply these two, I get negative 30. If I add, I'm going to get what? Negative 13. So I'll be putting those two factors in this, where the first one will be x. So x plus 2x minus what? 15. But don't forget, we send the 10 to multiply this at this point. So we divide by that 10. So since this is an equation, we maintain it that this is equals to 0 or this equals to 0. Meaning I'll be having x plus 2 over 10 equals to 0, or x minus 15 over 10 equals to 0. We know this is going to be 1 over 5. So when it cross, it becomes x equals to negative 1 over 5, or this is also going to be common factor of 5. So 3 on 2. Then that becomes x equals to positive 3 over 2. So the values of x that will make the denominator to become 0 will be negative 1 over 5 and 3 on 2. Question 49, we are taking it from the bottom upward. So find the gradient of the line that passed through the point half minus 1 over 3 and 3, 2 on 3. You know, gradient is given by change in the y-axis over the change in what? X-axis. Meaning this is my x1, y1, x2, y2. So I begin from here. 2 on 3 minus negative 1 on 3. Don't forget, you put that in bracket. Divided by this will be 3 minus what? Half. This becomes positive. So I'll be having 2 on 3 plus 1 on 3. And we know that if I have a fraction with the same denominators, we only add the numerators. That simply means that I'll be having 3 divided by 3 over this is just like 2 plus what? 1. So the 1 minus half will give us half. So we left with what? 2.5, which we can change to become a mixed fraction. This time this 4 plus this 5 on 2. Let's hold this as a division. So 3 over 3, which we know is already 1, divided by 5 on 2, which will become 3 on 3 times 2 on what? 5. Don't forget this value is 1. So our answer is just going to be 2 on what? 5. So the gradient of the line that passes through these 2 points will be 2 divided by 5. I believe this is okay. We will continue from 48 upward until we get to question number 1.